has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 6216 Promenade Lane, St. Joseph, Missouri on March 15, 2021 at 3:37 p.m. Abducted was Mia Latour, white, female, age 2. Suspect vehicle is a white 2013 GMC Acadia bearing Missouri registration EF1S3 Guaranese. Vehicle/suspect last seen unknown. Suspect is Amber Dawn Polachek, a white, female, 32, 5 feet 1 inches tall, 110 pounds, has brown hair and green eyes. Last seen wearing unknown. Suspect is Jeremiah Latour, a white, male, 29, 5 feet 10 inches tall, 165 pounds, has brown hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing unknown. The male suspect forced entry into the child's home with 2 other unknown males and took the child by force. He is armed with an unknown type weapon. Please call 911 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.